Imagine you re-holding $10,000 right now and can only invest in one company for the next 10 years. Would you go with the high-growth, risk-taking Tesla or the cash-rich, innovation powerhouse Apple? Tesla has electrified the automotive world, not just with EVs, but with its vision of a sustainable, autonomous future. Apple, meanwhile, has redefined how we communicate, work, and live. With its ecosystem of devices, services, and a cult-like customer base. But popularity alone doesn't make a stock a good investment. With over 2 billion active devices, Apple has created a golden ecosystem where customers rarely leave once they've entered. The iPhone may be its flagship, but the company is diversifying rapidly. Its services division, including iCloud, Apple Music, Apple TV+, and the App Store now generates over $85 billion a year and growing, and the US heavily incentivizing electric vehicle adoption. Apple's leadership under Tim Cook has been steady, disciplined, and laser-focused on operational excellence and customer experience. Investors who value stability might lean toward Apple, while those seeking aggressive growth may find Tesla more exciting. Tesla could ride this wave for years to come, especially if it maintains its innovation lead. Which stock do you believe has the edge for the next decade? Is Tesla or Apple? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the investing world. Stay tuned. In the next video, we're breaking down NVIDIA versus AMD to uncover the future of AI chip wars. Tesla is a high-growth, high-risk, high-reward play. It's ideal for investors who believe in the EV revolution and are willing to ride the volatility. Tesla gives you exposure to next-gen transportation and sustainable tech. Apple offers cash flow, dividends, and a global ecosystem of loyal users. Apple is a stable, low-risk, consistent compounder. It's a great fit for investors seeking dependable returns with less turbulence. Apple, meanwhile, faces a maturing smartphone market, but is well-positioned in the growing services health tech and AR/VR segments, especially with the launch of Apple Vision Pro, which could open up a whole new revenue stream if adopted widely. Add to that ventures into wearables, health tech, and financial services like Apple Pay and the Apple Card, and you begin to see just how wide Apple's moat really is. To make a wise choice, we need to break down the numbers, study their competitive advantages, and examine what lies ahead. And has a long history of returning value to shareholders through dividends and share buybacks. Its supply chain is incredibly efficient, and its product launches are global events. The risk, saturation, smartphone growth is slowing, and much of Apple's revenue still depends heavily on the iPhone. Without a major new product breakthrough, some analysts wonder if its growth can keep up with its past performance. This isn't just a stock comparison. It's a deep dive into two of the most iconic tech titans of our time. Tesla's revenue has grown at a 5-year CAGR of over 40%, which is phenomenal. But it trades at a much higher price-to-earnings ratio, meaning it's priced for perfection. Apple, on the other hand, has a more modest CAGR of around 10%, but it's stable, consistent, and very profitable. In terms of total return to shareholders, Apple has delivered phenomenal results over the past decade. With less volatility than Tesla, with Elon Musk at the helm, Tesla has redefined what's possible in the auto industry. From the widespread adoption of electric cars to the pursuit of full self-driving capabilities, Tesla's gigafactories across continents show how serious it is about global dominance. And let's not forget its energy division. With solar panels, battery storage, and ambitions to transform the entire energy grid, investors are drawn to Tesla, not just because of what it is today, but what it could become, a tech-and-area autonomous ecosystem giant. Today, we're going beyond the headlines, into the financials, strategies, and future potential of Tesla and Apple to help you make a smarter long-term investing decision. Both Tesla and Apple have become household names, synonymous with innovation, ambition, and industry disruption. Let's start with Tesla. Its meteoric rise in the EV market is nothing short of revolutionary. But Tesla is not without risk. While its brand loyalty is strong and its innovation pipeline is exciting, it still faces massive competition from traditional automakers like Ford, GM, and Volkswagen, all of whom are now investing billions into EV production. On top of that, production challenges, supply chain issues, and regulatory scrutiny can create major hurdles. Still, its first mover advantage and agility in launching new models give it a significant edge. Now let's look at Apple. It's the world's most valuable company for a reason. Financially, Apple is a fortress, sits on over $50 billion in cash, generates consistent profits. So, how do we decide? Let's talk numbers. The market outlook is also crucial. The EV market is projected to grow at over 20% annually, with countries like China, Germany, one underrated factor, leadership. Elon Musk is a visionary, no doubt. But he's also unpredictable, which introduces some risk. When we weigh everything, growth potential, financial stability, innovation pipelines, and risk, the answer isn't black and white. So, what's the smarter long-term investment? If you're building a balanced portfolio, the best answer might actually be, why not both? I'd love to hear what you think.